Hello, welcome to Check It Out with Rich. About 6 months ago, I put the Morryde step treads on. And I want to do a quick review on them. So far, what I like, very good traction going up and down the steps. They're very easy to install. They have an adhesive backing on them, and you just line them up, push them down, make sure you push them down real good, especially around the edges. So far, we've been in all kind of weather, down to 10 degrees, up to 90 degrees. Nothing's peeling up on the edges, which I thought for sure something eventually would peel up. The dog really loves them. She flies up and down the steps. Before with just the regular aluminum, she was a little hesitant, slipping a little bit, and this gives her good traction. Even when it's wet, your shoes stick to it very well. The price wasn't too bad for the whole set. We got them at the Hershey show last year, and they had a special going. I can't remember what the price was. If I can find a receipt, I'll put it in the description. Okay, now for my dislikes. But first, a word from our channel sponsor. Okay, I hope you enjoyed our sponsor. She's our main one right now. I hope to get a couple more later. But for the dislikes, they do hold the dirt. Now, that's one of Becky's biggest dislikes, but the old ones held the dirt too, with just the lines going through for traction. But these do hold a little bit more. They also hold some water. But when we pack up, I have a little whisk broom in the pass-through that I use to sweep them off, or I have a DeWalt leaf blower, a small one that I use to blow them off, and there's no problem. If it's wet, I just take a rag, wipe them down real quick. Okay, the other thing I've noticed is when it's super hot and you step on them with those ridges, the glue's coming up on those ridges. I don't think it's any big deal. Maybe the glue could be a little bit thicker so it forms around those little lines that are on there. But other than that, we really like them. Okay, so would I recommend them? Yes, I would, definitely. Like I said, there's more pros to them than cons. The cons are minimal. Most of that you'll have with just regular steps without anything on them. All right, so hopefully this helps your decision in buying these. And once again, thanks for checking it out. We'll see y'all next time. Bye. I'm supposed to say bye.
Oh, I didn't know.